everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to answer some of the most common questions about lemon essential oil, like what is lemon essential oil used for? Or can you put lemon essential oil directly onto your skin? Can you drink lemon essential oil? Can you take it internally? Is lemon essential oil better than lemon juice? This is a frequent question we get. This video will help you feel more confident and empowered when using lemon essential oil. So if you want to expand your knowledge base about lemon oil, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. My name is Mandy Summers, and I am very passionate about teaching about the benefits of essential oils, especially for kids. The cleansing and purifying, invigorating properties of lemon make it one of the most versatile oils, not to mention the top-selling essential oil that doTERRA offers. Lemon has multiple benefits and uses. Lemon is a powerful cleansing agent that purifies the air and surfaces and also our bodies, and it can be used as a non-toxic cleaner throughout the home. When added to water, lemon provides a refreshing and healthy boost throughout the day. Lemon is frequently added to food to enhance flavors of desserts, main dishes, and marinades. Taken internally, lemon provides cleansing and digestive benefits. It supports healthy respiratory function. When diffused, lemon is very uplifting and energizing and has been shown to help improve mood. Lemon orchards have flourished in Italy for many years, making areas like Sicily and Calabria optimum for sourcing spots for lemon essential oil. Producing lemon oil requires the use of the expression distillation process known as cold press. Unlike other essential oil distillation processes, cold pressing consists of using high mechanical pressure rather than heat to squeeze the oil from the rind of the plant. Like when you take an orange and you rub it in your hands and you kind of get that oil on it, that's where it comes from. While lemon holds many cleansing and purifying properties when used topically, it can also be very beneficial when taken internally. When seasonal changes start to bother you, try taking lemon internally to assist with that seasonal respiratory discomfort. Aside from assisting with respiratory discomfort, lemon can also be taken internally for natural cleansing benefits to the body and to aid in digestion. When taking lemon essential oil internally, dilute 1 drop in 4 ounces of liquid. When diffused, lemon essential oil provides an uplifting environment and promotes a positive mood. Due to the chemical makeup of this oil, it has been shown to help improve mood with energizing and invigorating aroma. If you want to diffuse lemon essential oil, use 3 to 4 drops in the essential oil diffuser of your choice. Diffusing lemon oil will always help cleanse and purify the air and surfaces in your home, whether you're trying to eliminate airborne odors or just you like to keep your house smelling fresh, bright, and clean. Lemon is an optimal choice for diffusing on its own or in a diffuser blend. Looking for good lemon oil to diffuse, add 2 drops of lemon and 1 drop of lime and 1 lavender and 1 rosemary to your diffuser for a clean summer kitchen aroma. Adding lemon oil to a spray bottle of water is a great way to have a natural, safe cleaner for your tables, your countertops, and other surfaces. Lemon oil also makes a great furniture polish. Simply add a few drops to olive oil to clean and protect, and shine wood finishes. Lemon oil is a great remedy for the early stages of tarnish on silver and other metals. I promise to share with you the difference between lemon essential oil and lemon juice. It's simply this. The juice comes from the pulp. The oil comes from the rind. You get different constituents and different properties, and you get a much more powerful, potent effect when you're using the essential oil from the rind. Finally, let me caution you about possible skin sensitivities. Please keep this oil out of reach of children. And if you are pregnant or nursing or under doctor's care, please consult your physician. Avoid contact with the eyes, the inner ears, or sensitive areas of the body. And make sure to avoid sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying this product to the skin. If you're ready to start using lemon essential oil, visit mandysummers.com/lemon or email me at trydoterratoday@gmail.com, and that's TRI doTERRA today. Start to discover how great it is to use lemon essential oil. If you've enjoyed learning about lemon essential oil and you know somebody who could use lemon essential oil, please share this video with them and let me know in the comments below how you're using lemon and what are some of your favorite ways. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, my other videos will be to the side if you want to check them out, and if you want to know when our videos are coming, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If no one has told you today, don't forget you are amazing.